It's a fabulous time of the year to plant out veggie beds with veggies and herbs. And there's some rippers, some of those leafy greens and things like, well, coriander and basil. But what do you do when your new season veggies and herbs are attacked by sucking pests like aphids, thrips, mealy bugs, two-spotted mite or red spider mite, and whitefly? Yates Nature's Way Veggie and Herb Spray should be purchased when you pick up your seeds, seedlings or starter plants. That way, as soon as you see any sign of pests, such as wilting, new shoots and deformed growth, you can treat it straight away. Pests can multiply quickly, so it's best to control them early before they can do too much damage. A natural soap-based spray, it's got a highly effective insecticidal soap that works when it comes in contact with the insect. So make sure you spray both sides of the leaves so it comes in contact with the pest. If you have a decent-sized vegetable patch, you're best to do what I do. I grab the Yates Nature's Way Veggie and Herb Concentrate. But there's also the handy trigger pack that's ready to use and it's ideal for smaller gardens. The product is also a bit of an all-rounder and can be used on a variety of indoor and outdoor plants, including ornamentals such as roses and flowers, vegetables and potted plants. And best of all, it's approved for use in organic gardens.